how to delete from your library on YouTube TV. Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to delete from your library on YouTube TV. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. Now, in order to delete recordings from our library on YouTube TV, we first must load up YouTube TV. Now, once you've done that, it should look similar to what's on screen now. From here, we can go up to the top in the middle, and just to the left of home, we should see this option that says library. Now, so go ahead and click on that, and then from there, we'll be able to see all of our shows and recordings that are in our library. So what we want to do from here is to click on whichever show we are looking to remove from our library. Once you click on a show that's been added to your library, you should be able to see this button in the top left corner that says added to library. And in order to remove it, all we have to do is just click that button again, and it will go back to a plus like this, and that means that it has actually been removed from our library, and that recording is no longer on our library on YouTube TV. So as of now, that is the only way in which you can delete recordings from your library on YouTube TV. So that's how you can delete from your library on YouTube TV. That's all for this video.